Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity ETFs. This tutorial will walk you through the process of understanding and investing in Fidelity Exchange Traded Funds. First, we need to understand what an ETF is. An ETF or Exchange Traded Fund is a type of investment fund that is traded on a stock exchange. Like individual stocks, Fidelity offers a wide range of ETFs, covering various asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions. To get started, you need to open a brokerage account with Fidelity. This can be done online or by visiting a local Fidelity office. Once your account is set up, you can begin exploring the different types of Fidelity ETFs available, such as index ETFs, sector ETFs, bond ETFs, and commodity ETFs. When selecting an ETF, consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Look for ETFs with low fees, high liquidity, and a track record of strong performance. You can research and compare different Fidelity ETFs using the Fidelity website or by consulting with a financial advisor. To buy an ETF, simply log into your Fidelity account, search for the ETF you want to purchase, and enter the number of shares you want to buy. You can also set up a regular investment plan, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It is essential to monitor and adjust your ETF portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. You can use Fidelity's online tools and resources to track the performance of your ETFs and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, investing in Fidelity ETFs can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and achieve your long-term investment goals. By following these steps and doing your research, you can make informed investment decisions and get started with Fidelity ETFs today. Remember to always keep your investment goals and risk tolerance in mind and to continuously monitor and adjust your portfolio as needed.